All right, let's go ahead and write this out in words. Let's say division by 0 is not allowed it is undefined. Now that's kind of like a vocab word. Division by 0 is not defined. And when we start comparing that in an algebraic form and then compare it to the graphical form of whatever problem we're looking at, you're actually going to be able to see that the function is not defined. It's undefined at the point that we're talking about. All right, so let's keep going. A real number can never have a denominator of 0. Okay, so when I say division by 0, if we're writing it with that horizontal bar, the 0 can't be in the bottom. Okay, so in other words, if I had 0 on top and I was dividing by a number, okay, that's 0 divided by a number. So I'm dividing by a number. This is okay. That's fine. That's always going to result in 0. But if I switch it around and my division is by 0, that means that I would have a number in the top and it's being divided by 0. That's when we get the undefined answer. All right, and your calculator never says undefined. It says error usually most of the time, or you get an E or it spells it out. Okay, but there's two major differences there. And you will do order of operation problems, which are in the form of a quotient. And you'll end up with a number on top and maybe a 0 on the bottom or the other way around. And you just got to remember which way to switch. All right, so that's just some clarification there. People screw this up sometimes.